Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to explain some possible predictions Bandai is showing us in this new Ashura and Indra update. Before I start the explanation, let's begin. Okay guys, before we start the video don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more video. Guys, Bandai don't want you to save your Shinobite. It's because anniversary is right around the corner, that's why they brought this new banner for Ashura and Indra. Giving them some awesome kit that would make you waste your shinos on this summoning banner. But if you really want to summon I won't stop you. But before you do that, listen to why I said you should not waste your Shinobite. First reason, everyone know that anniversary characters much more stronger than any other shinobi. For example, Hashirama and Madara, these guys were overpowered for a very long time. Even thin now. Or third anniversary characters Sage of 6 Part Naruto and Sasuke, they were also OP in their time. So this is the first reason why I think you shouldn't waste your Shinobite on them. Second reason, the more Shinobite you have the better for you when anniversary comes. Every NxB players in the world would summon for them. Some player already have 3k Shinobite and some of them just buy Shinobite. So what is the possibility of you getting their full kit? With just 1k Shinobite. Unless your luck is so great that with just 500 Shinos you got the full kit for one of the anniversary character. Which is impossible these days, so save as much Shinobite as you can, at least 2k Shinobite. And now for the final reason. The new EX Ultimate layout. I don't know if I'm the only one that thought about this. But have you guys noticed the new Ashura Ultimate, Kurama with 6 hands? I think this is Bandai way of showing us Naruto 6 Part, next Ultimate from Final Valley Naruto vs Sasuke. This is how they would draw Kurama and Naruto, but change the face a little. Oh, don't believe me, remember Obito Elf outfit new Ultimate? That was like an intro to the Ultimate he has now. But they made it stronger. So these are the 3 reasons why you should save your Shinobite for the upcoming anniversary. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye.